Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to make chicken leg quarters with plantain and some carrots. So let's get right into it. So you will take 2 leg quarters for this recipe that you will cut. Make sure you are careful while you're doing it. Once you will be done cutting the leg quarters, you will transfer it into a bowl and you will add some chili powder and oregano. Then you will add some salt. You will also add some pepper. You will then add some onion paste and some garlic powder. And then you will start just mixing everything to make sure that the seasoning gets into the chicken. Once you are done seasoning your chicken, you will take some cornstarch that you will put in a plate and you will start now coating your chicken. The reason why I chose cornstarch is because cornstarch is going to make my chicken crispy. Cornstarch is a little different from flour in a way where cornstarch makes things crispier than flour would. We are now making sure that every single part of our chicken is coated. And once you are done coating your chicken, you will transfer it into a greased pan and make sure that you put the leg quarters skin down because it's going to make it crispier. And in the meantime, you will preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will then bake the chicken for 1 hour and 15 minutes to 1 hour and 30 minutes. Once your chicken is in the oven, we are now going to take care of the plantain, banana plantain. So now for some people, banana plantain is considered as a fruit, but actually banana plantain is a vegetable. It is very good. It is sweet. You can have it in a green form or you can let it ripe, but it's better when it's ripe. And you can cook it differently, but for this time we are just going to fry it. So we are cutting the plantain in little small pieces. Then we are going to make sure that we put it in a bowl so you can see how delicious they already look. Then in a pan you will start frying it. Make sure that you check the plantains every time until you see that all the sides are golden brown. Now our plantain has been frying for a couple of minutes and it's time to get it out of the pan. You can now see how our plantain are golden brown and you will fry the rest also. And once you are done, our chicken is out of the stove. I let it cool down for a little bit. And we are going now to start serving. So you can see how crispy they look. In the meantime, I had also made some carrots that I sauteed with onion and salt and pepper. So we are going to serve it with it. And at the end, we are going to add our fried plantain. For those who have never eaten plantain before, you can buy it and try it and let me know on the comments down below how you found it. It's a very good vegetable. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, the bell of notification for more videos.